Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. We're doing an unboxing video today of the Dewalt impact driver drill, which is this, the 18 volt XR DCF787 N Dewalt impact driver. So it's 0 to 2800 RPM, IPM at 0 to 3200. It's got an LED light, 170 Newton meters of torque on it. So we're going to open this up and see what's inside. Still got the invoice on it because it came from Screwfix. Got it in the Black Friday sales, so nice little bag in here. So we're going to unbox this now. So like I said, 18 volt Dewalt impact driver drill. Just gonna, well, first we'll just cut the invoice off, get it started. Now this is a bare bone, so it doesn't come with a battery or charger, so it's just a case of opening the box and seeing what's inside. So if you are expecting like batteries and chargers, then you'll be disappointed because there isn't one inside the box. There we go. Instruction book. There we go. Not sure why you would need that unless you don't know how to use it, obviously. Comes with a 3-year guarantee. So what you do is you register this online, so it will give you all the information online. So you've got to register within 4 weeks of purchase. Now I did this with my other Dewalt tools, and you do get the 3-year guarantee with the tools. More information. That's the 1-year guarantee. So if you don't register it, you only get 1 year. So obviously it's important to register the little. Right, so that's about it. That's all you get inside the box is the drill. Like I said, no batteries or anything. There you have it, the Dewalt impact driver drill, DCF787 type 1. So basically I've got my old Dewalt screwdriver drill. So this is a standard Dewalt drill, like I just said. Now these batteries here are what would normally you'd get with a set, but you can actually buy these now. I've got some newer ones, but we're just going to use this one for now to see if it works. There you see, it just slips in the bottom quite easily, and there you can see the LED light. Got trigger action for reverse, forward and reverse. Very compact little machine. It does fit the so the end bit here you can see slides forward. This is to clip these type of bits in. As you can see, they've got a slight little groove like that. So when that goes inside, it's just a straightforward hexagon shape, goes inside like so, and it doesn't pull out then. So to release that, you need to pull that little collar forwards, and then you can see that there, you just pull it forwards and the bit comes straight out like so. But that is a nice little bit, and you can buy all kinds of different bits for these. Like that. So these are like these are the square driver bits, whereas this is like a posi drive. So when you get a collection of different bits, you can get like things like these are like socket bits. We're doing nuts and bolts. Again, they'll just fit into the driver like that. These ones do actually pull out because there's no little grooving, so you can buy an adapter to sort them ones out. But them's ideal for screwing like bits in. So there you have it. That is the Dewalt. There you have it. That is a Dewalt DCF787 impact driver drill. You can upgrade the batteries, get some these are 1.3 Ah batteries that I've just used just simply to test it, but you can see it's still got quite a bit of power running through it on one of those, so that's 18 volts. You need to go a slightly more AH. You can get 2s, 4s, 5s AH, which will give you a lot more power in the drill to use it for a longer period of time. So yeah, that's the Dewalt DCF787 18 volt impact driver drill. I shall be putting that in my toolbox and going to work with it and see how it performs on the job as well. So I might do another review on this little machine in the future. So I hope you enjoyed the video on the Dewalt DCF787 impact driver drill. Like I say, I might do a review on it a bit later on as well, and check in with you guys later. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I'm sure I'll be doing some more videos in the near future, so I'll catch you again in another video soon.